Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a big social media that you can use to get free traffic. And I'm not talking about Facebook, Instagram, TikTok or any of those. And you can use that free traffic to promote your affiliate products. But here is the thing with social media. Consistency is really important. So guys, be consistent. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Now that niche should be something that is familiar to you, something that you know, something that you understand, because it is much easier to promote products if you actually know what you're talking about. So to get traffic from social media, you actually need followers. And the easiest way to get followers on social media is to actually follow trends. But how do you find the current trends? Well, you can go on Google Trends, and then here you can simply click on Trending Now. And then here you can choose different countries. You can choose worldwide or specific country. Okay, for example, United States. And now I can see what is currently trending in United States. Obviously, it is elections, okay? But that is not what I'm looking for. I'm actually looking for something in my niche, okay? And because we are talking about make money online and affiliate marketing, I can simply go back here, and then here I can search something, for example, like make money online. And then press enter, and here you can choose different countries, or you can choose worldwide. But for this example, I can choose, for example, United States, and here you can see what is currently trending in United States when it comes to make money online. And here you can see past day. Now I don't want to see past day, I wish to see a consistent trend, so I will choose at least 90 days, okay? And here you can see this is pretty much consistent trend, okay? And usually here you can see related trending searches. Gold price today, cheap auto insurance. Now that is actually not related to make money online. And here I can get even more queries, okay? And you need to niche down, because usually for these kind of topics, make money online in this case, competition is big and it is too strong. When you find related search terms, when there is a little competition and search volume is decent, now that is the niche for you. So after you find your niche, you need to find ideas for your articles, okay? Because on this social media, we are going to publish articles. Now you can use Google Trends to find ideas for your articles, or you can simply go on YouTube, and then here you can search your main keyword, your main niche. In this case, it is make money online. Here you can see how to make money, okay? And here, when I simply press space, here you can see how to make money online, how to make money with ClickBank, how to make money on ClickBank, and so on and so on. Here you can see there is lots and lots of topics that you can actually write articles about. So now you need that social media. And social media that I'm talking about is LinkedIn. And when you come here on Similar Web, you will see that past month, here you can see LinkedIn got 1.7 billion visits, 1.7 billion monthly visits. Here you can see most of their visitors are actually coming from United States. So when you come on LinkedIn, you need to register for a free account, and then you need to go on your profile, okay? And you need to add your timeline image, you need to add a nice profile image, your name, your title, you need to add some description, you need to add your education, endorsements, your skills, and so on and so on. Fill everything, okay? And then click here on home, go back on your home page, and then what you need to do, you need to click here on write an article, okay? So to write an article, you can simply go here on ChatGPT, and then here you can tell it to write you an article on a specific topic, okay? And I can say something like this, for example, give me 5 catchy titles for this keyword, work from home mom, and just press enter, and now ChatGPT will give me 5 catchy titles, and you need to choose the one that you think is the best. So now I need to tell it to write me an article for the title. So for example, I just say I will use this first one here, okay? And I can say something like this. Write me an article for this title, work from home mom, secrets to balancing family and career. And then press enter, and now ChatGPT will write this article for me. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this title here, Ctrl C, and I need to go back here on LinkedIn, and I need to paste that title. Now here I will strongly suggest you to start your article, to open your article with a good and eye-catchy image. Now you can upload the image, or you can simply click here, create a design. Click here, and then here you can give it a prompt, and LinkedIn will actually create an image for you. Now here you can see I can simply click here, generate. It used my title, my article title, and this can actually take up to a few seconds, up to 2 or 3 minutes. And here you can see it created these images. Now these are not the best images. What I actually like to do, I like to go back here on ChatGPT, and I like to give it a prompt. So ChatGPT will actually create an image for me, and I would upload that image here. But for the purpose of this video, I will use this image here, click here on done, and that's it. I will add this image to my article. As you can see, it is currently uploading this image. So now I need to go back here, and I need to actually copy this article. I will simply highlight everything, Control C, go back here on LinkedIn, and I will paste that here. And this is my article. And all I have to do now is just click here on next. And here I can say something that shortly describes my article, and also use hashtags. Hashtags are your friends. Use hashtags or related hashtags on your articles in LinkedIn. And after that, just click here on publish, and that's it. You will publish this article. But because you actually just created your LinkedIn profile, you don't have any connections, you don't have any followers. So nobody will probably read that article. No matter how good that article is, nobody will read it. So what you can do is you can simply take the link from that article, and then you need to go back here on your homepage, and then here you can simply search for example, make money online, okay? And then press enter. And now you need to search groups. Click here on groups, and here you can find lots of related groups. Just click here on join, and you will join that group. When you click here, you can actually visit that group, and here you can see activity in that group. Just share your article in this group. But here is the tip for you. Do not share articles that contain your affiliate link. Only share articles that don't contain affiliate links, because in this way you won't be marked as a spammer. And also try to make as useful as possible article, and try to share it in as many groups as you can, because in that way people will like your articles, and they will actually start following you, and they will start sending you connection requests. In that way you will grow your followers organically, and you will grow your connections organically. And every time you publish article, you will start getting organic views, organic readers. And if you promote a good affiliate product, some of those people will start buying those products. Now, like I said in the beginning of this video, consistency is important. You need to publish at least 3 articles per week on LinkedIn. Otherwise, this probably won't work, okay? So publish articles, and as you saw on YouTube, you can find lots of ideas for a specific niche. Here you can see there is lots and lots of ideas that you can write for your articles, and you can write literally hundreds of articles. In this way, you can literally get hundreds of ideas for your articles. Just start writing those articles and start publishing them on LinkedIn, and start sharing them on LinkedIn groups. And trust me guys, you will start getting followers, you will start getting connections, and you will start getting free traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate products, that you can use for affiliate marketing. That's it for today guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.